we're moving all this up here now to extend the driveway up here. Yeah, so that's what is going on now. We're gonna use this to make flower beds around here. Yes, I'm gonna keep going with that. I built this up off camera, but you get what I'm meaning. Yeah, so over here, along here, up to this here. This is have been on the list with videos that I should have finished. But if you have watched this far and not skipped the entire video, but I guess you watched it, we did this flower beds stuff here, moved that from here. And I did not film this, but I just remembered that, well, that video wasn't finished, so I need to add this in. It's autumn now, but I've done this, fixed this road a bit. Then we did stone walls here, a little driveway here, stone walls there. You can drive up here. We have a little stone wall there, and yeah, all that stuff. Yeah, I guess that's all for this video.